introduction. Okay. So, good morning. I'll be seated. Thank you. And I am expecting 13 enrollees from Cora Foundation to enroll kindergarten at Kasilagan Elementary School. Should I expect 13? Maansa niya. Man-mano sa sit down. At tuwagan mo as naman manong sa ako, tibi nag-enroll ka niya ako. Bakit nag-enroll ka ni Ma'am Dimple? One? Well, very good. Tumay kayo nag-enroll ka, Ma'am Dimple? Well, very good. To the founder, benefactor of Cora Foundation, the Nanay Cora family, the indefatigable administrator and teachers, Ma'am Celestina and Ma'am Oliva, the diligent young learners of this school, yes, barangay officials, I think Captain Ruben is present, Caporel, dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant day to all. Let me begin by warmly welcoming all of you to today's meaningful event. I would also like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Sir Roel Brillantes for inviting me to be your guest speaker. Thank you, sir. It is truly an honor and a privilege to stand before you on such a special occasion. Today is a celebration worth remembering. It is special not only for our dear graduates, but also for their proud parents and grandparents. And of course, for their very unique teachers who have guided them every step of the way. To the parents, cherish this moment. One day, these young children will grow into the very people they look up to today. And even if they may not always be looked up to by others, wait and see, because in time, they will become an inspiration through their talent, skills, abilities, and service. Speaking of inspiration, I would like to acknowledge the people I look up to, those who have greatly influenced who I am today. First, my grandfather, Dr. Carlino Figueras, who dedicated his life in service to the people of Piligan as a medical doctor. My grandfather, Ma'am Amuyo Ako, Honorable Lodovico Pianin, who served as mayor of Piligan, a member of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan and vice governor of the province of Abra. Also, my grandfather on my father's side, who served as the postmaster of our municipality. And most especially, my greatest inspiration, the wind beneath my wings, a man of integrity and humility. He taught me to remain humble and grateful in all circumstances, whether in times of success or challenges. The provincial budget officer of Abra, my father. Nada problema yun di budget kaya barangay ako. Madaling yun ang pandilipakan ko. I share my roots not to boast. Ibingbingay ko na kayo, regiti, nagkakwak, and inspirasyon ko na kanilibuakaw. But to let you know that behind every person is a source of inspiration and motivation. Just like all of you, I started from the very beginning. I was once a daycare learner just like you. Nagpasa ng EJD, Poblacion East Daycare Center Kalimang Prulo. During my elementary days, I studied in 4 hanggang mga mamati pinasyal ko di Abra. Upat pinagbasa na eskwela idi elementary May kanina di daycare na. I studied kindergarten at Sacred Heart Academy of Banguet. Then I transferred to Divine Word College of Banguet from grades 1 to 3. Aging ganati kaya tagbasa, di ba? Basita nga, actually, basita pa'y takta. Basita nga ni Idi, imagine ni Magbagkakat ni sa kapulungan libro, sa kapulungan notebook, umuli yung third floor ni Divine. Wala na nga kinaya ni Powers to di Jai. Kung nag-ibig binako ng kayang tiag basan. Ang kumas baalanan. Sumangtod ang ni 5 o'clock. Ang tuturak ko man nun ni 7 to 9 p.m. Ako kayang nagbasan. I-transfer na ni Papang ko, Ijay. Holy Spirit Academy of Banggit. Sulat sa iso. Panan. May kako nagbasaak. May kapat nagtedwara. Pitigan sa nuts. Kapag namin kami may isa na mga babae. Siya pa yung hindi ka naudyan na anak. Yan apo. Iso nga kaya tamad nagbasa ng hindi na pinta sa pagbasaan. Ngam! Tangang kinaya ni Powers. Narigat nagbasa yung private school. Nung naka-enjoy niya nagbasa yung public school. Amo yun na experience ko pa yung nag-transfer ng public school na experience ko pa yung mapan, abala sorry to say, takiti defertilizer, takiti baka. Wow, makakayo kabusligan at sa bigay sa kanya ng gusti. Na-experience ko din ang Girl Scout ng camping ni Diyan. Then I continued my journey at Abra High School. Kapunta nag-graduarak na third honors, naging sisiri ba matun. Napanamot na nag-enroll di Abra High Science High School. Where my talents in acting and dancing were nurtured and developed. Umagyaman na ni Abra High talaga nga na-develop iti talento, iti pinagsalaga po ng Sir Panchet Villas. I proudly graduated as a Performing Arts Awardee. Then came the most challenging parts of my journey. I spent 7 years in college, taking 2 different courses. Nagbasa na kami muna iti Bachelor of Science in Accountancy sa painangan ng Shift iti Education. I graduated in 2016 and in the same year I passed the board licensure examination for teachers. It was a moment of triumph, proof that hard work and perseverance truly pay off. The following year, I gave birth to my firstborn child, Josa. Ni Josa, nagbasa mo ng ito'y para foundation for some time. Nagbasa lang ito'y tinangbulan niya Ma'am Inday. And then came what I would call the plot twist of my story. I entered motherhood with empty pockets, no savings, no house, and no stable source of income. I was simply a young mother with a partner who was also unemployed, trying to raise a child with nothing but hope and support of our families. Those were the difficult days in our lives. We faced many challenges, struggles, that tested our strength and patience. But instead of breaking us, those challenges become our reason to push harder, to strive more, and to live with greater purpose. During that time, I applied as a non-uniform personnel of the Philippine National Police while working as an LGU teacher in Pangasinan. For 3 long years, I remained an applicant, waiting, hoping, and persevering. And then at the right time, a blessing came. In January 2020, I was finally granted a permanent teaching item. To my loving husband, thank you for standing by me through every challenge and victory. Your unwavering support means everything to me. Congratulations on your achievements. I am sharing my story not to highlight my struggles, but to inspire all of you. Especially you, dear children, that when you dream, you must keep believing. Life has no shortcuts. Success is not achieved overnight. If you want to reach your dreams, you must be willing to start from the very beginning. Just like climbing a staircase, you cannot reach the top if you refuse to take the first step. Numuli kay ti Adlan, ang mga dalong di nga ito no ang pang-agad tanggi mo na nga tukal. So, children, take that step. Dream big, work hard, and never give up. I stand with you, I stand before you with two hearts. One as a teacher who believes in your potential, and one as a mother who dreams of a brighter future for every child here. And with both, I tell you, you are capable of becoming more than what you imagine. To all the parents, never underestimate the power of your support. It is the strongest foundation for a child chasing their dreams. To the graduates, be fearless in pursuing your dreams. Trust in your abilities. Make wise decisions. And always follow the path that leads to goodness and success. And I'd like to end my speech with Philippians chapter 4 verse 13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Let this be a guiding light in all your journeys ahead. Thank you everyone and congratulations.
Thank you, Ma'am Darlene, for those inspiring words. Now, may I request Ma'am Darlene to receive the Certificate of Appreciation. Let me read the citation. Certificate of Appreciation is hereby awarded to Ma'am Darlene Joanna Peralta Kitay for imparting her valuable sights and inspiration to the kids, teachers, parents, and community during the first graduation ceremony of Cara Foundation Daycare Alinay, given this 8th day of April 2026 at Cara Foundation, Sitio Kasilagan, Alinaya, Piligan, Abra. Signed by our Foundation Administrator,